Howdy there YouTube. Just wanted to give you a long-term update on my heat-powered wood stove fan. I've pretty much left it unmodified from the last video with the addition of the newer motor and the untrimmed fan. But what I have noticed is the TECs, these are not the TEGs, they're just the TECs. They are slowly wearing out. The efficiency has it's not as good as it was when it was first new, and it doesn't tend to start it on its own anymore, even though it did when it was first installed. So I'm just guessing it's the degradation of those. So I'm going to, in a future video, I like it so much, what I'm going to do is, to hell with the budget, and I'm going to put another tower with the right dealios in it. So there'll be TEGs, 150C, the ones that you can get. They're about 10 bucks a piece. Get the ones here in America because the ones from China, I mean, they make them here in America, so you might as well buy them here. Especially since they're probably a lot better quality than these ones, even though these ones were only a couple dollars each. So there is that. So I'm kind of throwing the budget out the window just because I want one that's going to last. So stay tuned, and for the long term, it's still working great. I've used it every time the wood stove's been used, and no problems to speak of. So thanks, and see you next time. And just one more thing. Make sure it's kind of counterintuitive. Make sure that the airflow is going into the fan, blowing against the back, your backstop, because if it's blowing out and there's somebody sitting in the room right near it, it's gonna like dehydrate them like beef jerky. It's really hot and this blows a lot of air, so make sure that it's blowing back away from the fan. And you're gonna want to blow the air across the cooling things anyway, so just keep that in mind, that you want the air blowing across the cooling fins, and then you'll have it set. You won't have to dehydrate anybody like a piece of beef jerky. So thanks again for watching. See you next time.